Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos. So please kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you get notification when I upload new video. Today we're going to be making this one ingredient pomade that is amazingly great for hair growth. So this is my hair a few months back when I experienced hair loss, and this is my hair some months later after using these natural ingredients and herb on my hair. So here I have my clean jar. I'm going to go ahead and fill it with olive oil, and I'm going to fill it halfway. So once I'm done filling the jar, I'm going to be putting in my main ingredients, which is Chebe powder. I got this from Amazon. Chebe powder has some amazing hair nutrients that can help your hair grow and make it strong and shiny. So I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of this Chebe powder into my oil. Then for my next step, I'm going to go ahead and stir in the powder into the oil just to properly mix it. And then I'll go ahead and close the jar, and then I'll store it in a dark place for 3 days. I'm going to be storing this for 3 days. This is to ensure that the powder infused very well into the oil. So this is my oil after 3 days. So you can see the color is very dark, which means the powder has infused into the oil. I'm going to go ahead now and strain out the oil. So this is my oil after straining it. I'm going to put this aside now, and I'm going to introduce my second ingredient that I'm going to use to blend this pomade. This is shea butter. I have about 150 grams of shea butter here. I'm going to go ahead now and put it on the stove using a double heat method. Then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of black castor oil. Then after adding my black castor oil, I'm going to now pour in the extract, the Chebe extract that I got earlier. I'm going to pour it into the mix. Then I will be stirring it little by little, just like this. This is to ensure that it melts properly and everything blends together. And then I'm going to now add a few drops of lavender essential oil. This is to give it extra nutrients and also a nice smell. be adding also few drops of tea tree essential oil. Then I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of bee wax. Here I have 2 teaspoons of bee wax. I'm going to be adding it to the mix, and then I'll stir it for the bee wax to melt. And when I'm sure that the bee wax has melted, I'm going to take it down for it to cool, and then I'm going to transfer it into my clean bottle here. Then when I'm done transferring it, I'm going to close this up and put it in the fridge for it to cool off. This to ensure that everything cool off and it forms a thick paste, which is the pomade. So this is my pomade after everything has cooled off. This is how it looks. It's a very creamy pomade and shiny. It has also good smell because of the essential oil that I added. So I'm going to keep this aside and I'll be applying it to my hair. This will last me for a while and it is very good and nutrient packed. So next is a short clip of me applying this to my hair. My hair is in a protective form, so I just applied water to hydrate, and then I'm going to be applying this nice pomade to it. This will seal in moisture and it will keep my hair moisturized for at least a week. So once I'm done applying it, I'm going to brush it out and then I'll braid the hair back to the protective style. This pomade is really good and smooth. You can use it to twist out your hair, or you can apply it to your hair to seal in moisture after washing your hair, or you can use it also when your hair is in protective form. You can apply it to your scalp. It is really good and it will help your hair grow. So as you can see, my hair is really soft and looking shiny after applying it to my hair. I'm going to be using it to braid my entire hair, but I didn't finish the clip because it takes me a little bit of time to finish it. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. Bye bye.